Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can end your subscription to 11 Labs in 2023. So what you have to do is just to click on your profile, go to subscription, and here you have, or you can also see your subscription, your plan that you have right now. So you can see if you have a free plan or paid plan. If you have a paid plan, I suppose you have a paid plan. That's why you're watching this video. Then you just have to click on manage subscription, and here what you can do is just to update your payment method and invoice history. You also have this option here, and it's very simple. Now from here you'll be able to click on cancel subscription. As you can see here, you're gonna be able to click on cancel plan button, cancel plan, and that's the button you should see here. I have the free version sorry, the free plan, but yeah, if you have the paid version, that's what you have to do. Now you can also scroll down and upgrade if you want to upgrade and to the next plan. You can update your plan as well. You have here free, standard, and creator. You can click on subscribe for more, and now you also have commercial license included, and here you have 1000 characters per month included. That's pretty cool. So